Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make rice porridge with fish. The ingredients for 6 people: you'll need 160 grams of fish, 300 grams of white rice, 300 grams of chopped pork. For the Muslims, you can use chicken or beef instead of pork. And you'll need 3.5 liters of water, some garlic, some onions, some ginger, some coriander root, some pepper and salt, and some cooking oil for about 1.5 tablespoons, and 4 eggs. Now move on to the garnishes. You'll need some green onions, some corianders, some pepper, salt, and soy sauce. Now that you know all the ingredients, let's begin! First of all, we have to clean all of our vegetables, such as green onions, ginger, and corianders. And then after that, we're going to chop them into little pieces and separate them into different bowls. And then we're going to peel off our garlic and onions and chop them into little pieces. Next, we're going to heat up a pan and pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When the oil is ready, put the chopped onions and garlic into the pan. Stir well and keep frying them until they turn gold and brown. We call it fried shallots. Next, we're using coriander root, garlic, ginger, and pork to make the soup. For the Muslims, you can use chicken or beef instead. Keep stirring for a while, then add some water. Add some pepper and let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until the pork is well cooked. Taking out this part will make our soup more delicious. After the pork is well cooked, take it out, then add the fish. Keep boiling about 15 minutes or until the fish is well cooked. Adding some onions will make our soup more tasty. While waiting our fish to be cooked, we're going to prepare our rice. We have to rinse it with water for about 2 to 3 times. When the fish is well cooked, take it out from the pan and rest until it is warm. While waiting the fish to be warmed, we're going to add the rice into the pan. If the water is not enough, keep adding it, and don't forget to stir well. In this case, we didn't add enough water, so we have to keep adding it to make sure that our rice will be well cooked. Keep boiling for about 20 minutes or until the rice is well cooked. When the rice is almost cooked, we're going to add some eggs. Keep stirring so it doesn't stick to the pan. And we're almost done. Now let's go back to the fish for a while. We're going to rip the fish into little pieces and prepare it for the toppings. Now that everything is done, we're going to serve it in a bowl and season it with some pepper, soybean, fried shallots, and fish meat that we had prepared earlier. Xếp lại. Xếp lại means it's very delicious. And this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.